Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're going to be discussing a question answers of a poem to a pair of Sarus cranes. So we're going to be discussing our main of close study. In that our first question is, a wave of the seas she had never seen came to her from far away and carried her to him. In that our sub question A is, what does wave of the seas refers to? The answer of this question is, the wave of the seas refers to a wave of grief. Our second sub question of this question is, what hadn't the female bird seen before? The answer of this question is, the female bird hadn't known grief or sadness before. Our third sub question of this question is, what figure of speech is used in the extract? The answer of this question is, the figure of speech used in this extract is personification.